Hey, it's a quick video of how I actually go ahead and cure my pottle. I do have some other things that I'm going to be adding to it, but for now we'll keep it simple because the hubby's recording. So anyways, you can see that I have some of my overlay done. This was from a prior video and I'm a little bit rough with my hands sometimes, so some chipped, and what I did was actually just peeled it off. Very clean. No damage to my nail. Pottle. So what I'm going to go ahead and do real easy, I take it, it looks just like a nail polish, right? And let's build. So you go right in and you literally just put it right on your nails, just like you would a nail polish. Probably took a little bit too little. All right. Go ahead, you put it in. Oh, by the way, I had already prepped my nails before, so I filed, buffed, did all of that nice, clean, smooth look on here, and I make sure that I get everything. So you see, it's literally like a nail polish, except it's like some, I don't know, plasma, I think it's what it's called, but just give it a nice stroke. And here, I have some tools next to me, so if I have to clean it, and this looks about smooth. Take a look, take a look. Now what I do is, right here in my little pottle, UV, go ahead and cure it. And I make sure, because it's a thumb, get it all. Does have, I'm not sure if this has like a little timer thing on it, but yeah, put it in. Nice and easy. And it's cured. So now what I do to also touch, yeah, perfect. And then after this, I use the top coat. I have seen where some people will buff it. I personally don't, and it worked for me. So I'm not sure if you do need a buff or don't buff. I don't buff. I go ahead straight through with the top coat and I apply. This top coat really is the truth. Here's the top coat. And these are for those who enjoy the gel overlay. And there you go. And that's about it. I'll post when I'm done because I have my other fingers and I want to actually do this and you'll see how it looks. Thanks, guys. Peace.